How to add color to your model lips. Mostly you want add like color to her, maybe as if she put wetin they call am lipstick. Very fast. I will go my solid color, click OK, make I off am. I'll click this place wey dey here, make I cancel am. I'll click this, you see this place where my mouse dey, na there I'll click. If I click am, I'll pick color from here. So make we use purple because you get the way this purple in the background will just synchronize with the lips. So make we use this purple. I will just make am a bit lighter, small. Then I'll press OK. Then we'll go on am. Then I will change am to color. I go change am to regular color there. I change am to color. I'll come here. I go invert the layer mask sharp. Control I. And then invert am. I'll come my brush tool. Make I put my flow for 70. We go try 70. Put my flow for 70. I go zoom. So I think the zoom dey okay like this. I will come here. I'll come this my mask. This my layer mask. Then I don't pick my brush tool. Then I go use my white brush to reveal wetin dey under here. I go just come here. I can still zoom am again small so that I'll see the lips well. I'll come here. Then I'll just carefully paint. I'll carefully paint am. I'll just paint am. I'll take one BKB. My opacity 100. Opacity 100. My flow. I leave my flow for 70. Now we'll see what's up. Go paint am. I'll be careful as I paint am. Just paint as I want, make it be like. Understand? So if you do it, you take your time. Take your time. So me, I don't want to make it too much. So as I don't paint am like this, I go just drop the opacity. Shey una dey see. We see what we get before, we see we get after. See the before, see the after, see the before, see the after. So I fit just come here, come adjust the color. I take one make it be. So make I use this one. Use this color, make am lighter small. Sharp. So very sharp. You see as we don't add color to the lips. See the before, see the after. Very fast. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And the fact that you don't stay to the end, check the description. I get one gift for you.